तुम्हारे बिना यह काम पूरा करना असंभव है। इट्स इम्पॉसिबल टू कंप्लीट दिस वर्क विदाउट यू। इट्स इम्पॉसिबल टू कंप्लीट दिस वर्क विदाउट यू। क्या तुम्हें अपने फैसले पर कोई पछतावा है? डू यू रिग्रेट योर डिसीजन? डू यू रिग्रेट योर डिसीजन? तुम्हें दूसरों की मदद करने में खुशी क्यों नहीं होती? Why don't you feel happy helping others? Why don't you feel happy helping others? वह हर बार नई समस्याएं लेकर आता है। He brings new problems every time. He brings new problems every time. तुमने उसे बिना सोचे समझे सब कुछ बता दिया। You told him everything without thinking. You told him everything without thinking. तुम्हारे सुझाव ने हमें बहुत मदद की। Your suggestion helped us a lot. Your suggestion helped us a lot. क्या तुम्हें यकीन है कि वह वापस आएगा? Are you sure he will come back? Are you sure he will come back? वह हर किसी की मदद करने के लिए तैयार रहता है। He is always ready to help everyone. He is always ready to help everyone. तुमने इस मुद्दे को गंभीरता से नहीं लिया। You did not take this issue seriously. You didn't take this issue seriously. तुम्हें दूसरों पर जल्दी भरोसा नहीं करना चाहिए। You shouldn't trust others so easily. You should not trust others so easily. वह अपनी काबिलियत साबित करने में कामयाब रहा। He succeeded in proving his ability. He succeeded in proving his ability. तुम्हें अपनी योजनाओं के बारे में किसी को नहीं बताना चाहिए। You shouldn't tell anyone about your plans. You should not tell anyone about your plans. वह अपनी गलतियों से सीखने की कोशिश कर रहा है। He is trying to learn from his mistakes. He is trying to learn from his mistakes. तुम्हारी सलाह ने मेरी सोच बदल दी। Your advice changed my perspective. Your advice changed my perspective. यहाँ का माहौल हर किसी को पसंद आता है। Everyone likes the atmosphere here. Everyone likes the atmosphere here. तुम्हारे बिना यह टीम अधूरी है। This team is incomplete without you. This team is incomplete without you. तुम्हें अपनी कमजोरियों पर काम करना चाहिए। You should work on your weaknesses. You should work on your weaknesses. उसने कभी हार नहीं मानी, यही उसकी खासियत है। He never gave up. That's his specialty. He never gave up. That's his specialty. क्या तुमने उसके प्रस्ताव पर विचार किया? Did you consider his proposal? Did you consider his proposal? क्या तुमने कभी इतना कठिन समय देखा है? Have you ever seen such a tough time? Have you ever seen such a tough time? तुम्हें इस मामले को जल्दी निपटाना चाहिए। You should resolve these matters quickly. You should resolve this matter quickly. क्या तुमने उसे उसकी गलती को सुधारने का मौका दिया? Did you give him a chance to correct his mistake? Did you give him a chance to correct his mistake? तुम्हारे फैसले ने सब कुछ बदल कर रख दिया। योर डिसीजन चेंज्ड एवरीथिंग, योर डिसीजन चेंज्ड एवरीथिंग। उसकी सफलता उसकी मेहनत का परिणाम है। His success is the result of his hard work. His success is the result of his hard work. उसने मुझे कुछ कहने का मौका ही नहीं दिया। He didn't even give me a chance to speak. He did not even give me a chance to speak. तुम्हें यह मौका कभी नहीं गंवाना चाहिए। You should never miss this opportunity. You should never miss this opportunity. वह हमेशा अपने दिल की सुनती है। She always listens to her heart. She always listens to her heart. क्या तुमने उसे उसकी गलती के बारे में बताया? Did you tell him about his mistake? Did you tell him about his mistake? तुमने जो कहा वह बिल्कुल सही था। What you said was absolutely right. What you said was absolutely right. तुम्हारी चुप्पी बहुत कुछ कहती है। Your silence says a lot. Your silence says a lot. अगर तुमने समय पर कदम उठाया होता तो ये नहीं होता। If you had acted on time, this wouldn't have happened. If you had acted on time, this would not have happened. किसी की मदद करना इंसानियत का सबसे बड़ा काम है। Helping someone is the greatest act of humanity. Helping someone is the greatest act of humanity. तुम्हारे बिना यह सफ़र अधूरा लगता है। This journey feels incomplete without you. This journey feels incomplete without you. जो वक्त सही हो वही फैसला लेना चाहिए। One should make decision when the time is right. One should make decisions when the time is right. तुम्हारी खुशी मेरे लिए सबसे महत्वपूर्ण है। Your happiness is the most important thing for me. Your happiness is the most important thing for me. हमेशा खुद पर भरोसा रखो और आगे बढ़ो। Always trust yourself and move forward. Always trust yourself and move forward. पढ़ाई के साथ साथ खेल कूद भी ज़रूरी है। Along with studies, sports are also important. Along with studies, sports are also important. उसने अपनी कड़ी मेहनत से अपने सपनों को पूरा किया। He fulfilled his dreams through hard work. He fulfilled his dreams through hard work. क्या तुमने कभी इतनी खूबसूरत जगह देखी है? Have you ever seen such a beautiful place? Have you ever seen such a beautiful place? उसकी मुस्कान पूरे माहौल को रोशन कर देती है। Her smile lights up the entire atmosphere. Her smile lights up the entire atmosphere. ये जगह अपने अद्भुत नज़ारों के लिए मशहूर है। This place is famous for its stunning views. तुम्हारी सोच हमेशा से मुझे प्रेरित करती आई है। Your thinking has always inspired me. Your thinking has always inspired me. अगर तुम चाहो तो कुछ भी असंभव नहीं है। If you want, nothing is impossible. If you want, nothing is impossible. क्या तुमने कभी किसी अजनबी की मदद की है? Have you ever helped a stranger? Have you ever helped a stranger? वह अपनी गलतियों से सीखने में विश्वास रखता है। He believes in learning from his mistakes. He believes in learning from his mistakes. तुम्हारा प्रेजेंटेशन सबको बहुत पसंद आया। Everyone liked your presentation a lot. Everyone liked your presentation a lot. सपने देखने से ज़्यादा उन्हें पूरा करना ज़रूरी है। Fulfilling dreams is more important than just dreaming. Fulfilling dreams is more important than just dreaming. उसने बिना रुके घंटों तक काम किया। He worked for hours without stopping. He worked for hours without stopping. कभी कभी इंतज़ार का फल मीठा होता है। Sometimes the fruit of patience is sweet. Sometimes the fruit of patience is sweet. ये अनुभव मेरी ज़िंदगी के लिए सबसे यादगार पलों में से एक है। This experience is one of the most memorable moments of my life. This experience is one of the most memorable moments of my life. क्या तुमने अपने प्रोजेक्ट पूरा कर लिया है? Have you completed your project? Have you completed your project? समय का सही उपयोग करना सफलता की कुंजी है। Making proper use of time is the key to success. Making proper use of time is the key to success. तुम्हारी मेहनत एक दिन रंग लाएगी। Your hard work will pay off one day. Your hard work will pay off one day. वह हर सुबह सूरज उगने से पहले उठता है। He wakes up every morning before sunrise. He wakes up every morning before sunrise. उसकी पार्टी हर बार की तरह शानदार थी। Her party was magnificent as always. Her party was magnificent as always. रिया पार्टी में सबसे अलग दिख रही थी। रिया looked the most unique at the party. रिया looked the most unique at the party. वह अपनी गलतियों से सीखने में विश्वास करता है। He believes in learning from his mistakes. He believes in learning from his mistakes. हर नई शुरुआत डरावनी हो सकती है। Every new beginning can be scary. Every new beginning can be scary. उसकी बातों में एक अजीब सा आकर्षण है। There's a strange charm in his words. There's a strange charm in his words. ये किताब आपको बहुत कुछ सिखा सकती है। This book can teach you a lot. This book can teach you a lot. अगर तुम चाहो तो मैं तुम्हारी मदद कर सकता हूँ। If you want, I can help you. If you want, I can help you. मुझे उम्मीद है कि तुम जल्दी ठीक हो जाओगे। I hope you get well soon. I hope you get well soon. हर व्यक्ति के पास कोई ना कोई खासियत होती है। Everyone has some or the other special quality. Everyone has some or the other special quality. मुझे नहीं पता कि वह क्या सोच रही है। I don't know what she is thinking. I don't know what she is thinking. उसने अपना आत्मविश्वास धीरे धीरे वापस पाया। She gradually regained her confidence. She gradually regained her confidence. अगर वह तुम्हें सच में समझता तो ऐसा नहीं करता। If he truly understood you, he wouldn't have done this. If he truly understood you, he would not have done this. क्या तुमने कभी किसी नई भाषा को सीखने की कोशिश की है? Have you ever tried to learn a new language? Have you ever tried to learn a new language? मुझे ये समझ नहीं आता कि लोग ऐसा क्यों करते हैं. I don't understand why people do this. I don't understand why people do this. तुम्हारा आत्म संयम काबिले तारीफ है. Your self discipline is commendable. Your self discipline is commendable. जो समा चला गया उसे वापस नहीं लाया जा सकता. The time that has passed cannot be brought back. The time that has passed cannot be brought back. सच्चाई छुपाने से नुकसान ही होगा. Hiding the truth will only cause harm. Hiding the truth will only cause harm. वह अपने शब्दों से ज़्यादा अपने काम से लोगों को प्रभावित करता है. He influences people more than his action than with his words. He influences people more than his actions than with his words. जो बीत गया उसके बारे में सोचकर वक्त खराब मत करो. Don't waste your time thinking about what has passed. उसने अपनी भावनाओं को जाहिर करने का साहस दिखाया. She showed the courage to express her feelings. She showed the courage to express her feelings. So friends, ये था हमारा आज का वीडियो. If you like this video and learn something new from this video or this channel, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel English Succeed Pro. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you everyone.